How to back up WhatsApp on Android to Google Drive flexibly. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I will launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you land on this page, scroll down. Open Chats. Scroll to the bottom and locate Chat Backup. Tap to open it. Now from the Chat Backup section, you simply need to choose Backup to Google Drive. Also, you can easily select the Google account as well. And after that, you need to select the frequency. If you wish to include videos backup using cellular data, toggle the button on. And once done, you need to tap on Backup button. You need to make sure that you have Google Drive on your device and then the option will appear on this page to back up using Google Drive. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.